Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage, and welcome back to another episode as we restore this 1969 Ford F100. In the last episode we got the top primer. That was a huge milestone for us because it's one step closer to getting in the paint booth. What we're going to do today is we're going to inspect the cab here, look for any dents that we see, kind of get them smoothed out with some Bondo. We're also going to put some seam sealer in this channel up here, make sure it's all waterproof so it don't rust. So let's quit talking and let's get to work.
Alrighty guys, I thought we'd take a break in the action and show you what we've been up to. We've been eating the Bondo all day long. We've been working on this door, working on the back of the cab corners, all of those places that needed a little bit of body filler. We've been working on that. The goal was to try to get the whole truck primered today, but I don't know if we're just going to make it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead. We've got us some Rust-Oleum etch primer. So we're going to go ahead and take this etch primer. We're going to take care of the back. Put a nice coat of this on. We're going to get it all taped up with some plastic. And then we got some Upol 2K primer that we're going to go ahead and put all over the back of this cab, make us feel like we've made some progress. So let's get some plastic and let's get some tape. Let's get it taped up and spray some primer. All right, guys, and just like that, we've been working on this truck really hard for a long time. We were trying to get all the paint ground off and get the whole truck in primer, but there's just so much of it. And I would like to stop and thank the person that put the red paint on the truck with the paintbrush. Thank you so much for giving us something to do by getting all this paint off. But you know what? It's all right. It just takes a long time. So we thought we wouldn't bore you with just grinding all that red paint off and all the black paint off. We are making good progress at getting it all ground off. If the paint is ever gonna stick, and if it's ever gonna look like anything, we gotta do it right. But we will catch up with you in the next video when we start putting the primer on it and getting it ready to get to the paint booth, because that's the most important thing right now. It's getting all this paint off, getting all the primer on, getting it to the paint booth, and getting the beautiful color on there. So we did run out of time for this video, guys. A special thanks to all the subscribers. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. If you like this video, drop us a like, leave us a comment down below, let us know what you're thinking. We'll catch you next time. We're out.